If you want to change your SF2 into an SF2H, have a look at this video. In your SF2H kit, you will find an SF2H bottom cylinder with air vessel adapter, an SF2H pump assembly, SF2H spares kit. You will need the Allen key from your SF2 spares and toolkit, and an SF2H discharge ferrule. Alright, let's get started. Place the pump down and loosen and remove the wing bolts. Remove the SF2 bottom cylinder with air vessel. Then screw the top of the air vessel off of the air vessel adapter. You might need to put some force into it. The top of the air vessel will be used later. The bottom cylinder and adapter can be put away. Now loosen the yoke guide and lift the pump out of the cage. Take the Allen key and loosen the bottom two bolts on the yoke. Completely remove the bolts and plates, but keep them close. We will be using them soon again. Pull the yoke off of the piston rod. Then loosen and remove the studs on the bellow retainer. You can now remove the bellow retainer, O-ring, bush and bellow. Again, keep them close. Now remove the piston and cylinder from the top cylinder and put them away. Take the SF2H pump assembly and place the SF2 top cylinder on top of it. Now take the bellow and place it onto the yoke rod. Push it completely into the slot. Place the bellow retainer and studs, bush and O-ring onto the rod and place it securely back on the top cylinder. You are now ready to place the yoke back onto the rod, aligning the two holes in the rod with the holes in the piston. Take the bolts and plates and place them back onto the yoke, ensuring the bolt is secured from the closed side of the yoke. Now take the SF2H bottom cylinder and air vessel adapter and turn the air vessel top onto it. Make sure to fasten it tightly, we don't want any air leaks here. Take back the yoke assembly and bottom cylinder with air vessel and identify the discharge and suction side. The bottom cylinder with the lower air vessel is the suction side, which goes below the motor. Place the yoke onto the bearing in the cage and place the bottom cylinder underneath the cylinder. Take the wing bolts with washers and secure the SF2H pump to the post, tightening in a diagonal fashion. Take the yoke guide and place it on the pump. Fasten it with the knob. Take the ferrule and place it onto the discharge side. This is needed because the SF2H will be dealing with higher pressures than the SF2. You have now fully assembled your SF2H. Give the flywheel a spin to confirm everything is aligned well and the pump runs smoothly.